So there are only 5 remaining days in the exclusive discount sale for all the VIOFO dash cameras and their accessories in India. So in my previous video, I had bought up this exclusive discount coupon, and using this coupon, you just need to head into the VIOFO website, apply the coupon code GIZ100K, GIZ100K, and get flat 5% discount on any dash camera, on any accessory which you might want to purchase from the VIOFO website. And on top of it, in select cities in India, close to about 500 major cities in India, you also get a free installation service. So you can go ahead and buy the dashcam and also avail a free installation totally using the coupon code, that is GIZ100K. So this coupon code was exclusive to Gizmobeep members and was created for the celebration of 1 lakh subscribers that have been marked on the Gizmobeep channel. So only 5 more remaining days for you to make use of this coupon and grab the best deal, the best discount on the VIOFO website for one of the finest dash cameras that are available from the VIOFO lineup. Now do note that VIOFO has some of the best dash cameras in the world, including the VIOFO A329S and the A229 Ultra, and you can also buy a slightly lesser priced VIOFO A229 Plus model as well. So go ahead, grab your favorite VIOFO dash cameras and apply this coupon code to get a flat 5% discount, and why not avail the free installation service as well and take away all the hassle out of your hand. So very limited time remaining. Make the most use out of this time. The offer will last up to midnight of October 31st, 2025. And no matter which of the VIOFO dash cameras you are interested to buy, the purchase links are given right down below in the description. So just click on your favorite dash camera's purchase link, head to the VIOFO website and apply the coupon code to make the most use out of your time and save yourself a lot of money. You wouldn't find a better deal and a better chance to get yourself the world's best dash cameras right in your car. See you in the next one.